To fix Venmo instant transfer not working, follow these steps. First, ensure your account is verified, as this is a requirement for instant transfers. If your account is not verified, go to the Venmo app, navigate to Settings, and complete the verification process. Next, check your funding source to ensure it is eligible for instant transfers. Only certain debit cards, such as those from major banks, are eligible. If your card is not eligible, consider adding a different funding source. Another common issue is insufficient funds. Make sure you have enough money in your Venmo account to cover the transfer amount. If you do not have sufficient funds, add money to your account or use a different payment method. It is also essential to check the Venmo app for any technical issues. Sometimes, the app may be experiencing technical difficulties, so try closing and reopening it or updating to the latest version. Additionally, review Venmo's transfer limits, as exceeding these limits can prevent instant transfers. If you have exceeded the daily or weekly limit, wait until the limit resets or consider using a different payment method. If none of these steps resolve the issue, contact Venmo support for assistance. They can help identify the problem and provide a solution. By following these steps, you should be able to fix Venmo instant transfer not working and complete your transactions successfully.